Good morning, students. Now here in previous session we are discussing about linear inequalities. Okay, so define linear inequalities, then properties of linear inequalities. So remember the definition and expressions of the type less than or more than, less than or equal, more than or equal, those notations are called inequalities. Now here note that if the expression less than or more than, that notation is known as strict inequalities, whereas less than or equal to, more than or equal to, that is known as slack inequalities. Okay, now here then properties of inequalities. Now here if you take two real numbers, say if a less than b, then if you add positive number on both sides, inequality remains same. If you subtract positive number on both sides, again inequality remains same. If you multiply by positive number on both sides, inequality remains same. If you divide positive number on both sides, inequality remains same. Whereas if you multiply by negative number on both sides, inequality changes, less than changes to more than. If you take the reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ again inequality changes. If you divide negative number on both sides, again inequality changes. Okay, now based on the properties of inequalities, to solve some more problems. Now here solve the inequalities and show the graph of solution in each case on number line. Now where x is real number, to solve those things and show the graph of the solution on number line. Number line will represent money. Hey, look here. Now here first problem. Solve that is 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Okay. Now rearrange. Now these are literal inequalities. Those numbers are numerical inequalities. Rearrange. Now take literal inequalities. 3x. Take 2x on left side. Minus 2x less than 1. That minus 2 goes to right side. Plus 2. Okay. Now 3x minus 2x 1x less than 3. Okay. X is less than 3. Therefore solution set. Solution set. X belongs to less than 3. It is strict inequality. We write open interval minus infinity comma 3. More than minus infinity, less than 3. And show the graph of the solution on number line. Now here consider a number line 0, right side positive number, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on minus infinity. Okay, x is less than 3, 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ. So this is 3. ಹೌದಾ? Less than 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Towards negative direction. This is graph of the number line. Less than 3, only draw a circle because it is open. This is less than 3. Don't shade it. Shade managilla. Only less than 3, that is circle. This is the graph of the solution on number line. Okay. Whereas second problem, same type. 5x minus 3 more than or equal to 3x minus 1. Rearrange. This implies 5x, 3x on left side minus 3x more than or equal to minus 5 minus 3 goes to right side plus 3. Right? This implies 5x minus 3x, 2x more than or equal to minus 2. Now divide by positive number 2. If you divide by positive number, inequality remains same. That is x more than or equal to minus 2 divided by 2, minus 1. Therefore solution set x belongs to real number more than or equal to minus 1. It is slack inequalities. Close at minus 1, open at infinity. Close at minus 1, open at infinity. Now draw the number line. In the number line, what you have to calculate? Look here. This is 0, right side positive numbers, okay, up to infinity, left side negative numbers, -1, -2 and so on, -1. Okay, x is more than or equal to -1, -1 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು, -1 ಇದೆ, -1 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ here -1 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, towards positive direction. Circle with shade ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, because it is slack inequality. This is the graph of the solution on number line. Okay, whereas third problem, 3 of 1 minus x less than 2 of x plus 4. Simplify. This implies 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 2 4s are 8. Rearrange. Minus 3x, take 2x on left side, minus 2x less than 8, 3 goes to right side, minus 3. So minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x less than 8 minus 3, 5. Now divide by negative number minus 5. You know that if you divide by negative number, what happens? Inequality changes. Minus 5x divided by minus 5 greater than 5 by minus 5. When you divide by negative number on both sides, inequality changes. Now here minus 5 cancel. X more than 5 ones are 5 ones are, that is -1. Therefore required solution set x belongs to more than -1, open interval -1 comma infinity. Now draw the number line. 0 midpoint, right side positive numbers up to infinity, left side negative numbers up to minus infinity. Okay, x is more than -1. This is -1. Here towards right side more than -1. Only draw a circle because it is open interval. It is strict inequality. Here, whereas fourth problem number 4, x by 2 more than or equal to 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. Okay, now simplify. This implies x by 2 more than or equal to, among those two take the LCM. LCM of these two is 50, correct? So 3 5s are 5 3s are 5 5s are 25x, 5 2s are 10, minus 7 3s are 21x, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. This implies x by 2 more than or equal to 25x minus 21x, that is 4x, minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 divided by 15. Again cross multiply, 15 into x, 15x more than or equal to 2 into 4x, 8x minus 2 into 1. Rearrange 15x, take 8x on left side, minus 8x more than or equal to minus 2. This implies 15x minus 8x, 7x more than or equal to minus 2. Now if you divide by positive number 7 in the divided inequality remains same, minus 2 by 7. Therefore x is real number, therefore solution set x belongs to more than or equal, closed at minus 2 by 7, open at infinity. Draw the number line. 0 1 2 3 and so on infinity. Here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on minus 1. ನೋಡಿ minus 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 0.23 something, minus 0.2 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So minus 0.2 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, this is 0, this is minus 1 minus 0.2, here minus 0.1 minus 0.2 like this. This is minus 2 by 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ approximate minus 2 by 7. So more than or equal to ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ towards right side. So circle with shade. ಯಾಕೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Because it is slack inequalities, closed interval. That's why circle with shade. Circle with shade. Okay. This is problem number 4. Then problem number 5. Now fifth problem. Problem number 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. This implies, rearrange, take literal inequality on one side, numerical inequality on other side. 7x, take 5x on left side minus 5x less than 9 minus 3. 7x minus 5x 2x less than 9 minus 3 6. Divide by positive number x less than 6 by 2 3. Therefore solution set x belongs to less than 3 open interval minus infinity comma 3 less than 3 ಅಂದಾಗ second term ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, minus infinity comma 3. What it means? More than minus infinity, less than 3. Draw the number line system. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinity. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on minus 3. Okay, x less than 3. No, 3 is fine. Less than circle because it is strict inequality. Less than 3 towards negative direction. More kinta kadime. This is the graph of the solution on number line. Okay. Whereas problem number 6. Sixth problem ಏನಿದೆ? Problem number 6. 3x minus 4 divided by 2 more than or equal to x plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. Simplify. This implies 3x minus 4 by 2 more than or equal to. Right side simplify, take the LCM. LCM is 4. Here 1 4s are, 4 1s are, x plus 1 minus 4. Right? This implies 3x minus 4 by 2 more than or equal to x plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 divided by 4. Cross multiply 4 into 3x 12x 4 4s are 16 greater than or equal to 2 into x 2x minus 2 into 3 6. Right? This implies 12x, take 2x on left side minus 2x more than or equal to minus 6 minus 16 goes to right side plus 16. This implies 12x minus 2x that is 10x more than or equal to minus 6 plus 16 plus 10. Divide by positive number 10 so that x is more than or equal to 10 by 10 that is 1. Therefore solution set x belongs to more than or equal, it is slack, closed interval 1 open at infinity. Draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on plus infinity minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on minus infinity. More than or equal to 1. 1 is the time. 1 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Towards right side. Circle with shade because it is closed interval. It is slack inequality. You slack inequality there. Here students, these are the problems on linear inequalities and graph of the solution on number line. They will ask in final exam. Okay students. Next problem. Problem number 7. That is word problem. 3 mark question. Very simple problem. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first 2 unit tests. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. ನೋಡಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ at least 60 marks ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ third test ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು marks ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ average, whether we take 35 marks or we take 40 marks or we take 80 marks, like that. So Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first two unit test. Unit test ಒಳಗೆ 70 ಮತ್ತು 75 marks ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನ. Now the question, find the minimum marks he should get in the third test. ಮೂರನೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ average ಮೂರನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ average ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ 60 marks ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೂರನೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? That is the question. Okay, now here we don't know. Now we take third test. Let the score in the third test. Let the score in the third test be, we don't know, we take x marks according to the question. Therefore by data, in first two tests 70 75, third test is x. Now here according to the question 70 plus 75 plus x, totally 3 tests divided by 3, at least 60 marks. The word at least means either 60 marks or more than 60 marks, either 60 or more than. The word at least means either 60 or more than 60, that is more than or equal to 60. Okay, exact 60 ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 60 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿತಾನು? That is the question. Simplify. Now here 70 plus 75, 145 plus x more than or equal to 3 into 60, 180. Rearrange. X is more than or equal to 180. Transfer it. That 145 goes to that side. Minus 145. X is more than or equal to how much? 35. Now here he should get in third test marks is at least 35. Either 35 or more than 35. No, more test ಇವನು 35 marks ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ average ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 60 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 mark question. Yes students. Okay. Whereas next problem ಏನಿದೆ? To receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more than in 5 examination, each of 100 marks. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು grade A ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ each paper carries 100 marks. ಏನಿದೆ? To receive grade A grade ನಾನು ಪಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ one must obtain an average of 90 marks. 90 marks average ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it will get A grade. ಹೌದಾ? If Sunita's marks in first 4 examinations, ನೋಡಿ first 4 examinations ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುನಿತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳ? 87, 92, 94, 95. Find the minimum marks that must obtain in 5th examination to get grade A in the course. ನೋಡಿ 5ನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು? ಎವರೇಜ್ A ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ average of marks is 90 marks. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 5th examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿತಾಳ? We don't know. We take say x. Let Sunita obtain okay x marks in 5th test. X marks in 5th test. Okay. Therefore, totally how many examination? 5 examination. Now first 4 examination marks 87 according to question 92 plus 94 plus 95. 5th examination is total number of papers examination is 5. Okay. Divided by 5. Correct. At least at least 90 marks. At least 90 marks. More than or equal to 90. Either 90 or more than 90. Simplify, this implies. Add all those things. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 28, 28 plus 8, 368 plus x divided by 5 more than or equal to 90, right? This implies 368 plus x more than or equal to 590 are 450. Rearrange, x is more than or equal to 450, that 368 goes to right side, minus 368, therefore x is more than or equal to 450 minus 368, that is 2, 15 minus 7, 8, that is 82. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು 5th examination board marks 82. Therefore Sunita must obtain ಎಷ್ಟು marks minimum of 82 marks to get grade A. A grade ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ minimum marks ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬಹುದು 82 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎವರೇಜ್ 90 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ A grade ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Each question carries 3 marks. Clear students? Okay. Next problem. Find all pairs of consecutive or positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. Now read. Find all pairs of consecutive or positive integers. Take odd positive integers. Take pair of odd positive integers such that both are smaller than 10. ಏನಿದೆ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, both the numbers are smaller than 10, less than 10, and their sum ಅವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ more than 11. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what are the ordered pairs of consecutive odd positive integers? So we don't know, we take two odd positive integers in general. Now here solution. Now here take two odd pair integers. Let the pair of consecutive odd positive integers B. Take two odd positive integers, say x and x plus 2. No regular order of the. Take x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. 1 plus 2 3. 1 3 are odd positive integer. Put x equal to 3. 3 plus 2 5. 3 and 5 are odd positive integers. So in general, the pair of consecutive odd positive integers be x and x plus 2. Okay. Such that both numbers are less than 10 and their sum more than 11. Both the numbers are less than 10 and their sum should be more than 11. So that is x is less than 10 and x plus 2 is also less than 10. Correct? And the sum x plus 2 is more than 11. Sum of those two is more than 11. But 11 is more than 10 times. Correct? Or 11 is more than 9. 11 is more than 8. Isn't it? So 11 is more than nearest number is 10. So this implies x plus 2 more than 11, that is nothing but more than 10 also. Simplify. X plus x, 2x plus 2 more than 10. Now to find x, 2x more than 10, that 2 goes to the side minus 2. So then 2x more than 8 divided by 2, x is more than 4. See, x is more than 4 and one number x is less than 10. No, right? X is more than 4 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು x is less than 10 ಇದೆ. So therefore x lies between, x is more than 4 and x is less than 10. So x lies between 4 and 10. X is more than 4 and less than 10. 4 ಮತ್ತು 10 open interval ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ odd numbers ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ odd numbers ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Therefore x is equal to odd number 5 because more than 4. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 7, then 9, right? X is equal to 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. This one number x value 5, 7, 9. Therefore x plus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? Put x is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is less than 10. Next, x plus 2. X value 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is less than 10. Right? Take x equal to 9. 9 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? 9 plus 2, 11. Is it 11 is less than 10? No. 11 does not less than 10. Only two numbers 5 and 7. Therefore, possible pairs are ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ x is equal to 5, then x plus 2 is 10, sorry 7, and x is equal to 7, x plus 2 is 9. Only two possible orders. ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 9 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 9 plus 2 11. But 11 is it 11 less than 10? No, 11 is more than 10. Does not exist. Only two numbers, odd numbers 5, 7. Then x plus 2 value 7 and 9. So ordered pairs are 5, 7, 7, 9. Okay. Similarly, here the odd note. Similarly, if we take even number. Now find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers, both of which are more than 5. ಎರಡು even positive integer ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? More than 5, such that their sum is less than 23. ಅದರ sum 23 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Again same type. Now take two even positive integers. Let the pair of same type pair of consecutive even positive integers b even positive integer ಏನು? Again x and x plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. even number put x is 2, this is 2, 2 plus 2 4, 2 and 4 are even number. Put x is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 6, 4 and 6 are even number. We generally take x and x plus 2. Okay. But we put it away such that both are more than 5, and their sum ಏನಿದೆ? less than 20. That is x is more than 5, x plus 2 more than 5, and their sum x plus 2 less than 20. Now to find the even positive integers, this implies simplifying x plus x 2x plus 2 less than 23 implies 2x less than 23 plus 2 goes to right side minus 2, so that 2x less than 21 divided by 2 divide by 2. That is here this is a fraction value. So what can you do? Now again here in previous example, x plus 2 less than 23. That 23 is we take less than 20. So 23 is less than 22. Or if you take here 2x less than 21. Okay, but 21 is less than 22. To make it perfect number, so that 21 is less than 22. See, their sum is less than 23, that is 2x less than 21, but 21 is less than 22. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದರ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. 21 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ x into 21/2, that is fractional value, that is not an integer. So that 21 is less than 22. This implies 2x is less than 22 divided by 2x is less than 11. One number sikha, x is less than 11. Okay. Now, therefore, x is more than 5 and x is less than 11. Therefore, x lies between 5 and 11, more than 5 and less than 11. So, what are the numbers? Even numbers. Even numbers have a coordinate, and x is even number. Therefore, x is equal to more than 5, less than 11, 6, 8, 10. Oh, these are the even numbers. More than 5, less than 11. Therefore, x plus 2, here I put here one number 6, 8, 10. What is x plus 2? X value 6 plus 2, 8. But both are larger than 5, more than 5. 8 is more than 5. Next, x plus 2. X value is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is more than 5. Yes. Then x plus 2. X value 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 more than 5. Yes. All are satisfied. Therefore, possible pairs are x is equal to 6, x plus 2 is 8, x is equal to 8, x plus 2 is 10, and x is equal to 10, x plus 2 is 12. Their sum is less than 23. No, add ಮಾಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ less than 23 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 8 plus 6 14. 14 is less than 23. Yes. 8 plus 10 18. 18 is less than 23. Yes. 10 plus 12 22 is less than 20. Clear? This is given positive integer. Previous problem odd positive integer. Okay. Now problem number 11. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeters, find the minimum length of the shortest side. The shortest side is one the triangle the length 3 sides, isn't it? In triangle consists of 3 sides. Now here if you take these sides, let the sides of the triangle, and shortest side x and okay. Shortest side x and the longest side of the triangle is 3 times the shortest side. 3 times the shortest side, 3x. And the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. Longest side is 3x. Third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. That is 3x minus 2. Got it? Okay. We got 3 sides. Shortest side x. This is longest side. This is another side. 3x minus. Okay. Now according to the question, if the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, perimeter the sum of all sides, all sides add. Therefore, x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2, at least, the word at least, more than or equal to 61. This implies x plus 3x, 4x plus 3x, 7x minus 2, more than or equal to 61. Therefore, 7x more than or equal to 61, minus 2 goes towards x plus 2. This implies 7x more than or equal to 63. Divide by 7, x is more than or equal to 63 by 7. That is x is more than or equal to 9. So either more than 9 or equal to 9. X means what? Shortest side. Therefore, minimum length of ಯಾವುದು shortest side ಯಾವುದು x ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ that is 9 cm more than or equal to shortest side is x either remaining sides ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ sides are and the side is 3x 3 into 9 27 and 3x minus 2 3 into 9 minus 2 27 minus 2 25. Okay, therefore sides are first side 9, second side 27, third side 25. So the longest side of a triangle 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. This is longest side, 2 centimeters shorter. 3x minus 2. We got 3 sides. According to the question, the perimeter is sum of all sides at least 61, more than or equal to 61. Go on simplify. It will get shortest side value 9 centimeter. Then other sides are 27 and 25. Therefore sides are 9, 27, 25. Okay. Whereas next question, last question, the marks obtained by a student of class 11 in first and second terminal examinations are 62 and 48 respectively. Nodi, first terminal examination 62 tondidana, second terminal examination 48. Now the question, find the minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average of 60 marks. On annual exam is 60 marks to now, what is the minimum marks we should get in the annual examination? Okay. Now here we don't know. We take say in general, let x be the marks obtained. X be the marks obtained by a student. Okay, in the annual examination. Annual examination we don't know, we take say x in the annual examination. So according to the question, first x test to 62, 48, third test x divided by total test is 3. It is at least more than or equal to 60. Simplify 42 plus 60 is 62 plus 48, 10, carry 1, that is 110 plus x more than or equal to 60. This implies x more than or equal to here 3 into 60, that is 180. X more than or equal to 180, that 110 goes to its side, minus 110, so that x is more than or equal to 180 minus 110, that is 7. No, annual examination marks either 70 or more than 70, not less than 70. Okay. Therefore, the student must obtain. Therefore, the student must obtain a minimum of 70 marks to get an average of at least 60 marks. Yes, marks over to one exam again 70, either 70 or more than 70, but not less than 70. Okay, students. Now these are the word problems. Each problem here is 3 marks. They will ask in final examination. Okay. In next class, we will discuss about some more problems using graphical method of linear inequality in one variable and linear inequality in two